So our outdoor furniture is real popular right now. It's 20-year guarantee on the furniture.
It doesn't fade, it doesn't crack, it doesn't warp, it doesn't twist like, you know, the pressure-treated wood furniture that most people have seen, you know, going back 10 years or so.
We can special order dining sets. Could be up to 72 inches long, a square, rectangle, round, 3 different heights, 3 different styles of backs. Color options are pretty good, from grays to browns to bright colors. We have swings from 4 feet to 5 feet with chains. You also can get the A-frame to go along with that. We also have the Adirondack chairs. They're scallop back or fan back that you can order in different colors. Coffee tables and end tables to go along with that. If you found something in the store that you liked, we can load it in your car that day so you can have it to enjoy that day, or you can have it delivered within 2 to 3 days.